Just making some cleanup changes here on RC Guy Garage. Just trying to make things a little bit more, you know, more, I guess, what you call useful. So, today in RC Guy Garage, we've got the GNSS Performance Analyzer from SkyRC. It is their app-enabled, basically, like, GPS speed meter. So, not sure exactly what this thing does. I do know that it gives you speed, and it's pretty damn accurate. I guess it samples at 10 milliseconds a second or something like that. I don't even know. We're going to bust open this thing. We're going to see what you get inside this little blister pack. So if you're interested in hanging out, let's break open this pack and see what it's all about. So you can see this pack right here. We've got the GNSS, which is a GSM-020, which is their performance analyzer, or data analyzer. It just basically analyzes many aspects of your RC car. Gives you acceleration, G-force, speed, distance, and time. It says it uses a barometric pressure sensor to detect height above ground level and can measure peak altitude up to 29,500 feet. This is what you get in the pack right here. You get this little GPS module and obviously a wire to charge it. And what I'm wondering is if this wire also is a data communication. So I haven't opened this up yet, so let's just open it up. So inside the package, you get a USB mini connection. You get an instruction manual, which, right there. Think you're fast? Prove it. So it looks like it gives status of LED indicator, gives you LED color and status, so Bluetooth on or off, so it's blue or off. GNSS, power on off, white, blinking, fast blinking, working, standby, charge battery, low battery. Charge the device before use. So charge the device with the provided USB cable, connect it to a USB port or a USB charger. So that's the first thing that we're going to do. We'll just pop this out of its little pack here. And that's just a card. This thing is very small. I bet. Does it have one of those little protective coatings over there? Almost looks like it does. Maybe not. Yeah, sometimes they have those like plastic things. Almost looks like it does, but I don't know. Alright, so we're going to plug this thing in because I don't even know how you turn the thing on. So how do you turn it on? Is it like touch screen? Capacitive touch, whatever. So this is the unit right here. It says GNSS. It's GPS and GLONASS Performance Analyzer, GSM-020 by SkyRC. Bunch of junk on the back, FCC junk that is typical that we see. Now I'm just going to plug it in. So plug it in, we'll see what happens. So I got a little USB brick thing down here. And I'm going to plug it into the outlet. It's plugged in. And I'm assuming that must be like charging. So it's flashing white. So blinking white. White is working. Blinking white is charging battery. So you can see it's charging the battery. Let's see. Mounting the device. Determine where you would like to install the device. Antenna can receive signals through glass and plastic, but not metal or conductive surfaces. Make sure the antenna is not covered or shielded by any metal object. Make sure the surface is clean. Use hook and loop tape to secure the device to the surface. GNSS Performance Analyzer app. Install the free GNSS Performance Analyzer app either from the App Store or Google Play. This device needs Bluetooth to communicate, so you'll need to turn on Bluetooth. Alright, so we've got my Android here, and we have to go to the, I think, oh, so it actually has things that you can like scan. So I guess I could scan this, but I think if I type in GNSSPA on here, so we'll go into the App Store, go into the search, and we'll type in GNSSPA. Now see, it comes up with SkyRC and then GNSSPA, so I'll just do the one that they said. Look at that, pops right up. So there's the one that you want right there, GNSSPA. We're going to go ahead and hit install. Wow, that was fast. Hit open. Allow it to access, yes. Wow, it was fast. You can turn it on, turn it off. You can see nothing's... Oh, choose my device. It's already recognizing the device? How? Alright. Wow, this is pretty quick. New firmware available. Yes. So it looks like it's upgrading the firmware version. Looks like that's going to take forever, so I'll be back once it's up to like a higher percentage. Still updating. You can see in the top corner on the left, elapsed time. I'll be back. You can also see it automatically connected. So you can see the little blue light on the USB, or not the USB, the Bluetooth. Obviously connected already. Got the 10-second countdown. It's almost like by seconds almost. $100. Oh, look at that. Check it out. See, it's like communicating or something. Look at OK. Drag, track, flying. The track is pretty cool. I wonder what that is. Oh, it must be tracking. Drag. Drag racing test. Are you kidding me? Set the start and end speed. How would you know what you... What? Well, right now it's set in kilometers per hour, so... Let's go into settings. We'll go into the units. Go into units. We'll put it to miles per hour. Back out. Firmware version 1.76 must be the newest version, I think. And then app version is version 1.2.31. So I'm assuming I could even change the device name, I think. What if I could, yeah, I could change the device name. It's actually pretty cool. So it was literally that easy. So now you can see it's set for miles per hour. Huh. So then obviously it has real time down on the bottom. Caution. This test can only be initialized when the vehicle is at a standstill.
Okay, so right now, this test can only be initialized when the vehicle is at a standstill. What test? So, seems like it's... Oh, look at that. Check it out. So it actually gives you how many satellites would be connected. So it looks like it's just requiring 3 maybe, or something like that. Or maybe that just gives a level of connection to satellites. Maybe the 0 would tell you how many satellites are connected to. You can see that the GPS thing is at 52%. 53%, so it's just charging up. We've got drag, which, yeah, I don't know. Track, must track the vehicle. Flying. Yeah, I guess that's it. None of these things are... Well, wait a minute. Something's loading. It's loading now. I already chose my device. It's already connected. Well, I guess that's literally it. I guess there really wasn't anything to setting this up. It was that easy. I just have to figure out, like, what stuff is, which is probably as easy as reading this. So drag. To tell the truth before and after modifications. There you go. Automatic start and stop logging for gear tuning or performance test. Huh. That is pretty interesting. The logging behavior of the device is automatically start and stop logging, measuring every run automatically without pressing any button. The device starts logging when the satellite lock has been achieved and a speed value higher than 1 kilometers per hour is detected, and stops logging when the pre-setting criteria are achieved. So I'm not sure what the pre-setting criteria would be, but this actually might be some pretty cool stuff right here. Track performance. Stop wondering how fast your RC can run. This device is ideal for RC racing. The user could easily working out data such as speed. I think that's kind of... The user could easily working? I think, like, that's worded wrong or something. So it can, data such as speed, total distance, it also records top speed. So track must be the one that I'm looking for mainly. Flying, how high things fly? Huh. With such a lightweight device too. It's pretty lightweight. Get it on a gram scale. So I'll pop our little scale out here. See, it's set at 0. Toss our little thing on there. So about 40 grams. I think that's what that's saying. Without the wire. Because sometimes... So 36.6. And let's see, specifications, nothing I really need to know other than the update frequency is 10 Hertz compared to, I think, 1 Hertz with the regular one. 35 grams, so they were about right. Operating temperature 0 to 40 degrees Celsius. Operating humidity 5 to 90%. So here we go. That literally was it. I can't believe how easy this was to set up. So there you go. So that was it. That's how fast that was. I thought like there would be a little bit more setup than that, but there really wasn't. You just downloaded the app and it literally like basically did everything for you. The only thing that I needed to do was switch it from kilometers to miles, and that was just like a click of a button. Or a swipe of a finger. So if you're interested in seeing how well this GNSS performance analyzer works,
From SkyRC on RC Guy Garage, you already know what to do. Just whatever. Like I always say, point blank, just get out there and rip it because that is what you should do. Wow, I literally need all the brake. Oh my god. Oh, and look what happened. Oh my god.